Welcome, in front of me is Motorola Moto G31, and in this video I will show you what to do if your device isn't accepting your pattern. So in case you cannot sign into your device using your lock screen pattern, and there is no chance that you can remember the one that you used to access your smartphone, then the best decision for you right now would be to contact Motorola customer support service, tell them about your issue and show the proof of the ownership of this smartphone to them, and for example by showing them a receipt from the store where you bought the phone. In such case they will most likely be able to help you out with this problem and will let you regain your smartphone without removing any data from it. Alternatively, you can perform a factory reset operation on your phone, which will remove all data from your device, but still it's a legit way to unlock your phone, and after the factory reset operation is performed you'll be able to use your device once again. Now what you have to do for that is either use a different device, different than this one, open a web browser on it, and then search for the Find Hub website. Open the Find Hub's website, sign in to your Google account that is linked with this device, and then select this device from the list, go to settings and select factory reset, perform factory reset. Once the factory reset is performed and all data is erased from your device, you'll be able to set it up as a new smartphone. And now if you cannot use this because, for example, you don't have a Google account linked to your device, then you can perform factory reset operation using recovery mode on your phone. And if you don't know how to use recovery mode on this phone, you can check the video on our channel where we explain this process step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and search for the factory reset to recovery mode on Motorola Moto G31 on this YouTube channel. Now, what to do in case if you do remember your lock screen pattern but your phone still doesn't want to accept it. Well, in such case what you have to do is enter the safe mode and try signing in from the safe mode. This way there will be no third-party applications affecting the way that your lock screen behaves, and to do that all you have to do is press the power button for a couple of seconds, then hold down the restart or the power off option and select OK in order to reboot your device into the safe mode. Wait until your device is restarted and then you'll be able to sign in to your device once you enter the correct lock screen pattern. Okay, and once your device is restarted, just enter the lock screen pattern. You will see that you are in the safe mode by this indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now what you have to do is simply enter settings. You can go to security section, in security go to screen lock, enter your lock screen pattern once again, select none, delete, and then you'll be able to use your device freely again by pressing the power button for a while, selecting restart, wait until your device is restarted, and then it will no longer require any PIN code from you and you'll be able to use it just like you did before. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.